Let's go.
My name is Juan. My name is Harrison Carter, and this is the Mercy Vocational Refurbishment Program. Today we'll teach you how to properly install a CD drive.
The necessary things you will need to complete this process of installing a CD drive is the CD drive itself, the toolkit, and the tower itself. One of the first necessary steps of installing a CD drive is first unplugging all power supplies, mouses, monitors, and keyboards. Then you lay the computer down on its side so that way you can open up the tower. The next part that we will be showing you is to open up the case of the computer so that way we may get the CD drive out. Now the old CD drive would be located right here. That's where we're replacing and putting in the newest one. Okay, the next step to our process is unscrewing the CD drive. As you know, there's a screw here and a screw here, but also there's on the other side, there's two other screws. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to unscrew these counterclockwise. And remove them from our workbench. Now we're going to need them later on. So then you would have to flip this over, unscrew the other side, remove those screws and put them on the side of the workbench. And remove the case and put it to the side. Now as you see, there's two other screws for where the CD drive is sitting. And you sit them with the first set of screws. Alright, turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay, the next step that I will be demonstrating is how to take off the faceplate, which will be needed in order to remove the CD drive. As you see, there's black pegs which you need to remove the faceplate. So what we need to do is we're going to have to remove the faceplate by pushing them in. Shit. And you have to push both pins on both sides. Now you are able to slide out the old CD drive. And turn it off. Turn it off.
Kind of go face on this side, and then switch it to this side. That's impossible.
Wait. I don't like that one. We gotta do it over because the CD drop slid out and you filmed it.
Everybody was talking too, so.
Cause we was doing it, and then next thing you know, like I'm sitting there, we gotta take off the faceplate, and the thing slid out, and I'm like, I was like, Juan, don't catch it, don't catch it. As soon as I'm gonna go push it back slowly, he videotaped me like shit.
So wait, can you videotape right now?
You still.
The next step after we assemble the computer is to simply reconnect the wires.
Now Juan, my partner, will connect the mouse and the USB port, the keyboard into the PS2, and the VGA, which is in his hand, into the VGA slot. When you put in the VGA, you must make sure the screws are tightly in.
Let's go.